Welcome to today's chatter, no frills tech news with the top 5 stories of the day. We talk about planning a night out with Google Maps, generative business intelligence, Magentic-One, why embeddings are underrated in AI, and why you need to be funny to get your next promotion. Let's get into it. A night out with Google Maps. Gemini uses data from over 250 million places worldwide to provide you with recommendations. Google Maps now offers these Gemini AI-curated suggestions and review summaries, helping you to plan activities faster. This is an effortless way to find unique places and activities beyond traditional filters, because you can just look for "Give me a bar with a vibe X." It saves time by providing relevant insights with AI-powered summaries, but it may overshadow user reviews with predetermined summaries and outdated information. And not all places might be accurately represented, given that the data quality provided will vary from place to place. But especially for specific requests, like I like looking for a place with a certain vibe, or I need to pick up item X, this service really simplifies the travel planning experience. Next up, the new era of generative business intelligence. GenBI, again a new term, uses AI to create dashboards from natural language descriptions. Forget complex interfaces or SQL queries. GenBI lets you talk to your data and see it visualized in seconds. This speeds up creating and iterating on dashboards, and it makes data analytics more accessible to non-technical users. But the accuracy of AI-generated dashboards might be very limited. And primarily, it requires a well-defined data model for AI to understand the business context. If AI doesn't know where to look for and if the data isn't varied, it's just not going to work. Given how quickly businesses are changing these days, the lifespan of dashboards was often very short and needed constant adaptation. But with the speed and ease of generative BI, dashboards could stage a comeback. On to our next story. Microsoft Magentic-One, AI agents at your service. Microsoft Magentic-One can autonomously coordinate tasks across 5 distinct agents like web server and coder. It uses multiple specialized agents led by an orchestrator to get work done, web or file-based. It will solve complex, multi-step tasks by coordinating specialized AI agents. So this is really your co-worker that you're giving a task and they come back either with questions or solutions, but they work through a process. This enables efficient task solving in fields like software engineering and data analysis, where one task informs the next one. It's highly modular, making it really adaptable for various domains and complex use cases. But it requires strict oversight to avoid unintended consequences, such as endless retries and low-quality answers. This is not differentiated in the market, however, with everyone from Anthropic to even IBM launching very similar concepts. Agentic AI seemingly gets easier and better every week, and knowledge workers can boost their productivity, not necessarily their output quality, by leveraging it. Next story, we stay in the field of AI. Embeddings are underrated. Embeddings are the basis for most recommendation systems. Because you read book X, you probably also like book Y. Let me explain why you should care about this technical concept, embedding. Embeddings turn text into high-dimensional coordinates, allowing semantic search between words and documents. For example, the Gemini model outputs embeddings as an array of 768 numbers. That means in 768 numbers, it can compare two texts to say how similar they are or how different. And this can reveal connections beyond text that would be impossible to find with simple keyword searches. This potential to process large volumes of data brings scalability to document management. But these high-dimensional embeddings are really abstract, so it's hard to explain and really difficult to interpret. Also, the low amount of input tokens, around 8,000 for OpenAI's model, are really a big limitation. But as these embedding models improve, technical research becomes easier because it's far easier to pull related research, similar texts, similar challenges, and this will potentially accelerate scientific progress. And you should also get better book recommendations. Last up, want to succeed? Make them laugh. Forbes ranks a sense of humor as the 4th most important leadership quality. Using humor in the workplace can build rapport, engage teams, and make you more memorable. Laughing releases dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins, which can improve learning, empathy, and mood. And this can really set you apart as a leader by adding a unique edge. But the risk of misinterpretation, humor can backfire. Also, humor can seem unprofessional in some settings. But in the end, humor is a soft skill. If you know your audience and you can master timing, it's a very effective tool to create a positive environment and reduce workplace stress.